Well, this is not really, I'm about to say this is our first snow of 2025, but it's not. This is our third snow of 2025, and it didn't do much. As you can tell, just a little bit. Just a dusting. We had worse snows in January. But welcome back, everybody, to our channel. Like I said, it's snowing. I might put my shoes on a little bit and let you look at it. The tracks are not covered. Tracks are still, I mean, the tires are, but not enough to where it can affect us in any way. There's the snow. I wanted to get out here for it to stop snowing. It's kind of still snowing a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but it was snowing pretty good. But this is about all we're gonna get. It's not supposed to snow tomorrow. Not supposed to go for the next while after that, after tonight. So, but there's the snow. Like I said, it won't last long, but there's the snow, ladies and gentlemen. It won't last long though, because it's not really cold out here. It's not really that cold. I mean, it is cold, but it's not like freezing to where it will stick. So it's not as cold tonight. But there it is. There's the snow. It's in here. They were talking about snow last week, but it never came. But it's, I just saw flurry, and like I said, the tracks are not covered. But just want to show y'all real quick that it is snowing, and this is how we start Vlogmas. I know Vlogmas is a little late than usual this year. We should have started it. I don't know, Monday. I don't remember. But this is Vlogmas number 1, and we're gonna continue until Christmas Day. Here's the tree for the year. It's got all the ornaments. Got Pooh Bear and wreath and present and lots more. We didn't put a star on it, but there is the tree for this year. Well, that was a neat surprise. A KCS leader and a CP. I don't know why I took a long pause, but that was a nice surprise right there. Everybody, very nice surprise. Okay, folks, so there's Keisha's Canadian, or not Canadian, actually. Chicago Northwestern train. It's an NCL train that she has. It's a commuter rail, because those are commuter cars that she got. Still waiting for this stupid tree to light up because it's still acting dumb. And somebody's singing in the background, but she doesn't know that I'm recording. There goes the tree again. Alright, got another train coming. This time, I don't know who that was. That I will say that ethanol took me by surprise. Well, everybody, that's all for today. For this first Vlogmas. Sorry it was late. But it was kind of nice to see those foreign power that catch the Kansas City Southern, the Canadian Pacific, and the Union Pacific power right back to back, actually. I did not know that was coming. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas. I don't know what day it is, so forgive me. But hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll talk to you guys again tomorrow.